And now let's get into some of the specific conditions you can use this for. So number one, cannabis for menstrual support. Cannabis is great at reducing pain and inflammation for menstrual cramps. It can also reduce PMS or PMDD, which is premenstrual dysphoric disorder, which is sort of a more extreme version of PMS. So it's great to help with symptoms like anxiety, depression, mood swings, and irritability. A little bit of cannabis can kind of take the edge off when it comes to those symptoms. It's great for, just relieving muscle tension, migraines if you get those during your cycle. Nausea. A lot of people with severe menstrual cramps do experience nausea, and cannabis can help with the pain with the cramps and the nausea. So dual use, it's great for that. And it's also great to help with sleep, which we, know that if you're in pain, your sleep quality is affected. So it sort of hits all these bases. It's a really nice substance. And, as opposed to taking, I have some patients that I know have such bad menstrual cramps that they take 4 or 5 Advil at a time regularly during their period, day in, day out. And that's not great for you. If you can substitute some of that or all of it with a little cannabis, it's safer and a little bit easier on your system. So again, choosing the right method of consumption is key to getting the best results. And it's best used in conjunction with other things though. So heat, light exercise, healthy diet. One of the best treatments for menstrual cramps is masturbation. Cannabis is great in combination with that. So, think of it as part of the toolbox for menstrual pain. And timing is important. If you tend to have PMS or PMDD, start using your cannabis before your symptoms start. So get ahead of it. Start a week before your period is expected. And, you can kind of cut those symptoms off at the head. I think that, just if you're smart about when you start dosing, you can kind of avoid a lot of the pain early in the cycle.